Welcome to the online class, children. Today we will start lesson 17. We will learn lesson 17 and the name of the chapter is the conjunction in English first for class 3rd student. Okay. So already we have completed lesson 16 and I have given you the exercise part also. Hope you have completed in your copies. Preposition is over now already. And today in English first only we will start the conjunction. First of all, what do you mean by the conjunction? Conjunction is a word that joins the sentences or word together, isn't it? No? Conjunction is a word that joins the word or the sentences together. Okay? So first of all, when you start this chapter, you have to write the definition of conjunction. Okay? So suppose we will see the example. 2 and 2 makes 4. 2 and 2 makes 4. This is example. 2 and 2 makes 4. This is sentence, no? 2 and 2 makes 4. So here, this 2 and 2. So this word, one word is joined to another word, no? One word joined to another word. Conjunction means it is joining. This conjunction is a word. It joins the one word to another word or sentences to another sentence. Okay. So group of words it joins. Okay. So it is known as what? Conjunction. So here we find out what is conjunction here and is a conjunction. Again, he is poor but honest. So again when we see another example. He is poor but honest. Okay, so this is a sentence. Okay, now what is the conjunction in this sentence? But. He is poor. One sentence, he is poor but honest. The sentence joined with another word or sentence. Okay. This but is joining, so it is connecting the two words or two sentences. So it is called what? Conjunction. Okay. Now like this we will use. Again, you can have tea or coffee. So here or is a conjunction. Again, I bought some fruits because I was hungry. I bought some fruits. One part of the sentence. And because I was hungry, so another part of the sentence is joined with what? Which word? Because. And that because is what? Conjunction. They can go home since they have nothing to do. They can go home. One part of the sentence. And since they have nothing to do. Since they have nothing to do. So since is a conjunction which joins the another sentence that they have nothing to do. So these are the conjunctions. So in these sentences, just now we have read, or some examples I have given you on the blackboard. So in these sentences, these examples, words such as and, but, or, because, since are joining words. They are joining words, and these joining words are called conjunction. Okay. They link word and sentences. They join or link word or sentences. So this linking word are called what? Conjunction. Okay. Now we use and to join the word or sentences that belong to a particular class. Suppose the bed is soft and comfortable. She is beautiful and intelligent. Anita played tennis and Babita played football. Okay. Kavita is a singer and her sister is a dancer. So we use and to join the word or sentences that belong to a particular class. Means it is equal, particular class. Then only we are using what? And. So it belongs to particular class. Then only we are using and. We use but. Where we are using but? To join the word or sentences that has opposite ideas. We are using but where which has opposite ideas to join the sentences which have opposite ideas. Example, he ran very fast but he could not win the race. He ran very fast. Although he ran, no? He ran very fast, but he could not win the race. So here the ideas are opposite, no? First he ran but he could not win the race. So the ideas are opposite. It is not similar. But when it is similar, we are using what? And. But when it is not similar, the ideas are opposite, then we are using but. Again example you can see here. She ran fast but legibly. Okay. We ran very fast but missed the bus. So like this what? Opposite ideas are there. Okay. Now we use or. To join the word or sentences when we want to make a choice. Wherever we are making a choice, we are using or. And or is what? Or is a conjunction. Example here. Is it a boy or a girl? Is it a boy or a girl? So here, where we are using? Means we are making what here? Choice. There is a choice. No, sentence when you want to make a choice, there we are using or. Suppose one more example. Are you coming or not? Coming or not? Or you are using, means here it is a choice. No? So that's why we are using what? Or. One more example if you see here. I can be black. It can be black, white or grey. Or grey. Means here the colors are there, different colors are there. And here we are making what? Choice. So whenever we are making choice, whenever we are making choice, we are using what? Or. So these are the conjunctions where to use it. By seeing the sentences. Depends on the sentence. Okay. There we are using. Whenever we have to make choice, we are using or. When the same class, we are measuring the same class, same particular class, when we are belong to the same particular class, then we are using and but. When we have opposite ideas, then we are using but. Okay, so these are the following. These are some conjunctions. Okay, now study the following sentences contain additional examples of conjunction. Some of other examples of conjunctions are, suppose you can say, I missed the bus although I ran fast. Although I ran fast. Although is what? It is the conjunction. They are rich yet sad. They are rich yet sad. So yet is what? Here conjunction. Do not go before we come. Do not go before we come. So before here conjunction. Understand? Again, will you wait till I return? Will you wait till I return? So here till is a conjunction. Okay. I did not complete the task because you did not order me. So because you did not order me. So one part of the sentence add to the another part of the sentence with which word? Because. Now and this because is what? Conjunction. They finished first though they began late. Okay. Now will you wait till I return? Okay. I hear that your father is in New York. That also join. I hear. Okay, and another part is what? Your father is in New York. So this join with which word? That. Understand? Now next, you will pass if you work hard. Okay, so if it is also a conjunction which joins the two part of the sentence. Okay, now Amit changed his name. First part of the sentence, Amit changed his name, and the second part, he. And after he left India. So after is a conjunction here. So like this, so many conjunctions are there. Although, yet, before, because, though, okay, that, when, after, if. Okay, so these are the conjunctions which joins the one part of the sentence to another, or which join the word to the another part of the sentence, like this. Okay. So this is known as what? Conjunction.